Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope your day has been going great. And today Apple just released another version to iOS 14.5, and this is not a big update for many, but if you use an iPhone 10 Plus, or you use Face ID, you might really enjoy this update. So what this update does is brings Face ID unlock with the mask on. So if you have an iPhone with Face ID, you know that nowadays with the whole situation, if you have a mask on, it will not unlock and you will have to manually enter the password. And that's why people want Touch ID back. It's much easier. But if you have an Apple Watch and you aren't running iOS 14.5, you might be in luck sort of that this function works really well. So let's go over it, how well it works, how to set it up, and let's get started. So first thing you want to do is update your phone to iOS 14.5. Super simple, just go to your general software update and you can just update the phone to iOS 14.5. Once that's done, if you go back to Face ID and password, you will see a new option called Unlock with Apple Watch. It might be faded out if your watch is not up to date, and it's faded out in my case. So let's go update the watch. Open the watch app, software update, and we update the watch. Once all that's done, it's super simple. You're almost done. What you want to do is go back to the same Face ID and password setting, scroll all the way down, find the option called Unlock with Apple Watch, and enable that. Once that's done, you're done. You have the switch enabled. Now put on your mask on, or if you want to just test it out, so we put the mask on, and Face ID should not work. The phone is locked up, and I can just go this. Instantly, doesn't take even a second, and I get a message on my watch saying unlock from Sakshim's iPhone. Now if I didn't do this, I can press lock and lock the phone, and something I like is that if I press the lock, it doesn't just lock the phone, it locks and disables Face ID. That way, that in case someone else did it and I'm like, I don't want to do that lock, the person cannot try that again or even use Face ID without the mask. They will actually have to physically enter the password. And that's basically how Unlock with Face ID and Apple Watch works. It's super simple, and so far from all the testing I've done during this video and even before, it's really sick and it just works. So hope you find this feature useful, especially if you're outside a lot wearing a mask and it's a trouble unlocking the phone. And I hope you have a great day. I will catch you guys later, and if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comment section below. Like usual, if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. And yeah, I guess that's all for this quick video. I will catch you guys later.